welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we can see that how to print a table of any number in a Java with the help of Java. We can see that how to print a table of any number with the using the Java programming. Okay, so that's why we can simply clear here the class. The name of the class is the demo, any name what you want to do that, and here you need to write our method that public static void main string, okay, string args, and then our bracket, square bracket here. Then simply click on okay, then clear here. Then you need to get a particular number, which number you want to print a table of that number. So that's why we can get here the int n is equals to 5. If we want to print a table of number 5, then get here the okay. Also we can get a input from a user. Also we can get a number from in the form of input from the user. Okay, so okay. So for that, for printing a table of any number of the number, so you need to use a loop. Okay, we can get a loop. We can use the for loop that purpose. Okay, int I is equals to 1, because we can start with a 1, means 5 ones are 5. Okay, so that type. Okay, so then I is less than 10. If we can write here 10, then our table is print to that 9 number. Okay, because also in the code, in the technical, in our binary language, we can write here the also start with a 0, also start with a 0. So that's why we can get here value, I value is a 1. Okay, so then I plus plus for increment, then you can write here system dot out dot print ln, and then simply write here and our number into I, you can see right here. So that is a code. So how you can print the number of any problem. So just simply click on run button. So here you can see that our number is a 5, and the output of this, the table of a number is printed here. Okay, 5 ones are 5. Okay, okay. So this is our table of our number. Okay, so also we can get an input from a user. So that's why we need to create here the class. The name of the class is a scanner class, scanner sc equals to new scanner, then system, okay, then system dot in. Okay, just simply click on it here, make a int n is equals to sc dot next int. Okay, just click here. Okay, also we can write here the line, enter your number. Okay, system.out.println, just write here enter your number. Okay, okay. So this is our program. Here you can see that the output of the particular program. Okay, our number is a 4. The table of our number is printed here. You can see that here 4 is 4, 4 is 8, 4 is 12. Okay, so that is the thing. So this is a program. So how you can get input any number input from the user and print the table of the particular number. You can print the any number, table of any number from your side. You can also change here if you want to print another number, then simply click on it. Okay, and then write which number you want to write here. Just I use a 5, then our table is here. Okay, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 10, 4 threes are 50. Okay, so this is our table of a number. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. So in this video we can see that here the how we can print a table of any number. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will meet in the next video. Okay, if you like this video, then please click on like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, so thank you.